Welcome guys. Eject SIM tray from the phone. Remove back cover of the phone. Remove protection tape. Remove all the screw from protection cover. Remove protection cover from main board. Remove all the screw from ringer buzzer. Remove ringer buzzer from body. This is ringer connection point. This is ringer connection point. This is mic. This is charging port. This is antenna wire connected from main board to subboard. This is LCD display flex and subflex connected from main board to subboard. Disconnect subflex connector from subboard. Remove pull-out subboard from the body. This is vibrator connection point. Install charging port and mic subboard in the body. Connect subflex connector to the subboard. Connect antenna wire. Install ringer buzzer. Put back screws on the ringer buzzer. Install protection tape. Install back cover of the phone. Insert SIM tray in the phone. All you have done successfully. Thank you for watching.